and accident history. This training allows them to understand the complexities of road design better than traditional methods. Through a process called machine learning, AI can identify patterns and relationships in this data that humans might miss. This leads to more accurate and efficient road designs. One key technology used in AI road design is computer vision. This technology allows AI to interpret visual data from various sources. AI systems can analyze images and videos from traffic cameras, drones, and other sources. This visual data helps AI understand real-world conditions. This allows them to see the road and its surroundings, just like a human driver would. The AI can then make adjustments to the road design based on this visual information. Another important technology is deep learning. This advanced form of AI enables more nuanced analysis and decision-making. This type of AI uses artificial neural networks to learn from data in a more sophisticated way. These networks mimic the human brain's ability to learn and adapt. Deep learning algorithms can analyze complex factors, such as driver behavior and weather conditions, to predict traffic flow and identify potential hazards. This predictive capability is crucial for designing safer and more efficient roads. Section 5. Road Design of the Future. AI leads the way. The future of road design is intelligent, automated, and data-driven, and AI is leading the charge. From the initial planning stages to the final construction, AI is revolutionizing every step of the process. Imagine roads that can communicate with our cars, warning us of hazards and suggesting optimal routes. These smart roads will not only enhance safety, but also improve traffic flow and reduce congestion. Picture roads that can adapt to changing weather conditions, improving safety and efficiency. Whether it's rain, snow, or extreme heat, these adaptive roads will ensure a smoother and safer journey for all. AI will also play a crucial role in the development of autonomous vehicles. Engineers are leveraging AI to create smarter, more reliable self-driving cars. Self-driving cars rely on sophisticated AI systems to navigate the road and make split-second decisions. These systems are constantly learning and improving, making autonomous driving safer and more efficient. As autonomous vehicles become more commonplace, AI will need to design roads that can accommodate their unique capabilities and limitations. This includes creating infrastructure that supports vehicle-to-road communication and advanced navigation systems. AI is not just changing how we design roads, it's shaping the future of our entire transportation infrastructure. Smart cities powered by AI will feature interconnected systems that enhance mobility and reduce environmental impact. With its ability to analyze data, optimize designs, and predict future trends, AI is poised to create a world where transportation is safer, more efficient, and more sustainable for everyone. The future of transportation is bright, and AI is at the forefront of this exciting transformation.